Once again, it's your boy Fire Reid. Thanks for tuning to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now, I'm going to do a review on an Akaso Action Camera EK Ultra HD 4K edition. So I'm going to unbox it right now. So you have some different straps right here. You have a casing for the camera for waterproof. Still have some more straps right here. Also come with a cable for security. Have different types of mount. Also have battery. As you can see, it's a 3.7 volt battery. 3.7 volt battery. Also came with a remote. Have a camera and also to take picture. Also came with a holder for the camera. If you want to put it on a small tripod, you can do so. It's a nice affordable camera, cheap for vlogging. So this is a mount to put on a bicycle, on a motorcycle, anything you rather. Also come with a charging port, channel 1 and channel 2. And it also have two LED lights indicate red and blue. When it's in red, it's need to charge, and when it's in blue, it's fully charged. This is one more mount also. It comes with a lot of accessories. And also the waterproof case. This is a waterproof case. So you can submerge it underneath the water. It's a nice camera for vlogging. Very cheap, affordable camera. And you have the side buttons, two of them, and you have one on top for recording and one on the front for power. So this is the casing, the waterproof casing. So this is the camera. As you can see, Ek7000 4K Ultra HD, Wi-Fi, Akaso. On the top of it, you have the record button and you have a light to indicate when it's on. And also you have the screen. As you can see, it have a remote and it's an action camera. Also, it has two buttons on the side of it, used to navigate through the settings, and also one button for turn on the Wi-Fi. See it? Power on, so indicate a red light, and also no SD card. And now it also have 3 slots on it. This for the SD card, USB charging port, and also a USB data cable. It's a nice cheap, affordable camera. As you can see, it made out of hard plastic. Very nice camera. So I'm gonna take you all. I'm gonna show you some simple footage. So right now I'm walking on the beach with my 4K Ultra HD Akaso Wi-Fi. So look at the footage. As you can see. So I'm gonna submerge a Akaso Ek7000 4K Ultra HD under the water. So keep on watching. So it is still working. So it's a nice affordable camera for vlogging. So right now I'm videoing 1080p 60 frames per second.